This is Seesaw, and it is a website that has a lot of options that you can use with your students. For instance, it's a digital portfolio, and your students get the chance to work with digital tools such as drawing, uploading videos. They can record themselves making videos and their voice, and a lot of different options with that. Also, you can assign lessons. So if you look to the right, I signed up. Here is my class. And if you click on activities, you have a few options. Here, I created a lesson. I uploaded a Teachers Pay Teachers lesson, and then I recorded myself. Do the end of the year math review, and when you have finished, make sure to submit your work. And then you can assign it to specific students when it's due. And you also have the option to assign it to all your students. Then another great thing that Seesaw offers is if you go into resources, you can choose your grade level, and other teachers have uploaded their lessons. So that's another one that's another option I think is fantastic. So I uploaded Building a Fort just to see what that would be like. And also, if you want to upload one of your lessons, that's great too. Going over here to journal, this is really the biggest draw for me. What I want, how I intend to use this mainly is having my students write and work with the tools such as the drawing tool. And my daughter sent a picture here, and then my son typed up a sentence for me. So lots of options with this. And then also they can respond when they do a lesson. So this was the in response to Building a Fort lesson. And then they're actually able to record themselves.
This is Alessandra, and I'm done with my work.
So I love that option. And then you can even have them write on a blog, which is really a great option, because I feel this is a good way to teach them digital citizenship, because they upload something and then they can comment on each other's work. And this is just a fantastic way to introduce them to social media, but it's done safely because everything is in your classroom. Another thing, when they comment, it has to be approved by you. So you go in, you review it, and I'm going to approve this. And there we go. Okay, so, or you have the option to delete it. Who is your audience? Your audience are your students, because they're the ones who are going to be doing the lessons and engaging in the blog. Also, you can invite families, and I did a practice with that. I invited myself, and the families can actually comment on their students' work. But again, you get to approve it, so I love that option. I feel that this website speaks to the ISTE standards. 1, equity and citizenship, because you get to model digital citizenship for C, and also D, cultivate responsible online behavior. So great website, and I am definitely using it with my students next year.